Hello, I'm in a 2020 QX80 and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, you want to make sure your vehicle is turned on. Wait just a moment for everything to load. And then we're going to be using this interface here. So if the phone's here displayed, obviously click that. If it's not, just go to your main menu to bring you back to this. So then we'll click phone and then connections. And here you should see a list of everything that's already been connected. But obviously we're going to try to pair a new phone, which from your device you want to make sure you have your Bluetooth on, which typically you need this symbol blue for your Bluetooth being on. And then from a menu like this, you should have something similar on your phone. You want that activated. But from here we're going to add new phone. Now searching for this one's Cinderella. Probably different for your vehicle. You should be able to change it however you'd like. So we're going to scan. Here's the Cinderella. Oops, right there. And then this is my misclick here. All right, now we're pairing with that. So you should see some prompts load on either screen. Yep, confirming to pair. And that's it. Now my phone's connected. It'll typically prompt you on your phone if you want to connect your phone book and things like that. So you have more like a caller ID type thing. But you should now be able to take phone calls, listen to music, whatnot. If you're having issues, you might have to try 2 or 3 times. A lot of types of vehicles, you have to be parked to connect new phones. So potentially try that. Just as a safety feature they build into vehicles. And then a lot of vehicle models, I don't believe this is one, but they limit to 5 phones connected. Looks like this one has a limit of 6. So if you have a full memory, you might have to delete a phone first. Which in that same interface shows you how to do all that for deleting phones. You just, click on whichever phone you want and go through the options to delete. But anyways, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.